If you remember, we discussed this. This is angle of attack. This was CL. And this was your CLmax without flaps. है ना? ऐसे ही कुछ बनाया था हमने CLmax. ये आ रहा था CLmax. Now, if you deploy flaps, it goes like this. ऐसे ही था without flaps. So this fact we know, if your angle of attack with increase in angle of attack at any particular angle of attack, the wing which is with flap deploy will have a greater CLmax, right? This fact we have already studied. Now how it is that way? So see this. Guys, this is your wing. This is your wing. Okay? Here is your flap. Anyways, look at here guys, please. So this is your wing. This is your flap at the trailing edge. Now, at this stage, if I draw a chord line of this wing, this will be the chord line, correct? And if I draw a mean camber line now, mean camber line, so this would be my camber. When flap is extended, it is not deployed. This is my camber. Camber is what? Camber is what? Camber is what? Camber is a displacement between mean camber line and the chord line. So that is camber. Anyways, this is your camber. Now let's try in deploying flap. Let's see when we deploy a trailing edge flap, what happens. So this is my wing. Now let me deploy this flap down. This is flap deployed downward. Now have a look on your chord. Chord line is what? How do you define chord line? Okay, खींच देते एक लाइन, straight line joining leading edge to trailing edge. So that's the chord line. Now let me draw the mean camber. A line joining leading edge to trailing edge, dividing the aerofoil into two equal halves. Okay, so this is a mean camber line. Now this area, the entire section is your camber. So by deploying flaps, what happens to camber? Camber increases. And tell me, if your camber is more, area is more, thickness is more, what happens to the lift? ठीक है. So area, camber and the thickness of the wing or aerofoil, all of them increases lift. अगर ये तीनों ज़्यादा होंगे, lift ज़्यादा होगी. So here, what flap are doing? They are increasing camber of the wing. If camber is increasing, lift would be. So now you understand how your trailing edge devices or a high lift devices or flaps increases the lift. Any doubt? Drop it.